Right. All right, we back. You know what I'm saying? Curry Chicken 101. You know what I'm saying? Featuring Dr. Evil. Where you at, big guy? Shit. We in the building. And we about to pour the water on the burn. How we do it? We burn the chicken, right? We burn it?
No,
We burn the curry already. Not burn the chicken. We burn the curry. And now, I'm about to add the water in the counter somewhere. There we go, you know what I'm saying? Don't stop till you get it now. Cool. We cool now, you know what I'm saying? We done, you know what I'm saying? We done fried that up for about what? How long did we fry that up for?
15 minutes.
15 minutes we burn the curry, you know, and move it around a couple times in between that 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Just to get that curry right. We put some thyme in there, we put the ginger in, we put some onions in there, you know what I'm saying? We're about to get the scallion popping real soon. You want to come over here, you know what I'm saying? Dump the baby chow. We back here on the table, you know, we got a little bit more time. We like the time around here, first of all. We like that time, so get that in there. You know what I'm saying? We got some garlic, too. You know what I'm saying? We got the scallion chop up already, so make sure you got a little cutting board and a knife. You know what I'm saying? Nice little things you need around the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? With your no-cooking self. You know? We here to teach. Take that right, baby child. Cheer. You know?
Especially to Mr. Shinoda.
I want all this cocktail. You know what I'm saying? That's curry chicken right now, 101, part 4 for my people. You know what I'm saying? My YouTube fans. You know what I'm saying? Who's digging Blizzard, Dr. Evil, and Baby Chow. Ow. You know? So we be back in the flash, you know what I'm saying? With the next session. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy.